Hello friends, welcome to you in Academic Gyan Ganga. So today we are studying about thermoelectric and thermionic conversion. First question. In thermoelectric conversion, heat energy is converted into option A mechanical energy, option B electrical energy, option C chemical energy, and option D none of these. So right answer is option B, electrical energy. Second question, thermoelectric conversion is based on option A Seebeck effect, option B Peltier effect, option C Joule effect, option D none of these. So right answer is option A, Seebeck effect. Thermoelectric conversion is based on Seebeck effect. Next question. If a closed circuit is made of two dissimilar metals and two junctions are maintained at different temperature, then the EMF is set up in circuit. This statement is related to option A Thomson effect, option B Seebeck effect, option C Joule effect, and option D none of these. So right answer is option B, Seebeck effect. Next question. The EMF produced is function of difference in temperature between hot and cold junction is given by. So right answer is option A. E is equal to alpha S into dt, where alpha S is equal to Seebeck coefficient and delta is the temperature difference between hot and cold junction. Next question. When an electric current flows across an isothermal junction of two dissimilar materials, there is either an evolution or absorption of heat at the junction. This statement is known as Peltier effect. Option A, it is true or false. So right answer is option A, it is true. Next question. In a closed electrical circuit, if the current I flows through a resistance R, the heat generated by the resistance is equal to I square R. It is known as option A Thomson effect, option B Seebeck effect, option C Joule effect, and option D none of these. So right answer is Joule effect, and mathematically it is represented Q is equal to I square into R. Next question. Any current carrying conductor with a temperature difference between 2 points will either absorb or emit heat depending upon the material. This effect is known as Thomson effect. It is true or false? So it is true. Option A is right. Where sigma is equal to I into dqt upon dx upon dt upon dx, where dqt upon dx is equal to heat interchange per unit time per unit length of conductor, and dt upon dx is equal to temperature gradient, and I is equal to current. Next question. Which of the following is advantages of thermoelectric generator? Option A, it is highly responsible. Option B, free from noise. Option C, it is compact and has long life. Option D, all of the above. So right answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. Which of the following is disadvantages of thermoelectric generator? Option A, high cost, low efficiency, and option B, low output. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. So right answer is option C, both A and B. Next question. What are the different types of semiconductor used in thermoelectric power generator? Option A, bismuth telluride, option B zinc telluride, option C germanium telluride, ऑप्शन इसी ऑप्शन सी में ही दो मेटल और ऐड कर दिया गया है, सीजियम सल्फाइड एंड जिंक एंटीमोनाइड, एंड ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द एबव. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द एबव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर द criteria for the selection of semiconductor materials? Option A high Seebeck coefficient, option B high electrical conductivity, option C low thermal conductivity, and option D all of the above. So right answer is option D all of the above. Next question, the process of emission of electrons from the hot metal surface is called. Option A thermionic emission, option B plastic emission, and option C current emission, and option D static emission. So correct answer is option A thermionic emission. Next question, the particles emitted from hot cathode surface are. Option A negative ions, option B positive ions, option C electrons, option D none of these. So right answer is option C electrons. Next question, which of the following is the advantage of thermionic converter? Option A it is compact device, option B absence of rotating part, option C it has higher conversion efficiency, and option D all of the above. So right answer is option D all of the above. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.